Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel cyberflix, and today we are going to talk about YouTube monetization. In the previous video we discussed about the top 15 concepts for YouTube channel, and I promised you we were making a video on YouTube monetization. So before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. As you all know that YouTube is a very broad and opportunistic as well as competitive platform too. So if you're planning to get into YouTube, then kindly watch my previous video about its concepts to get an idea about it. Okay, once you have started your channel, you need to keep patience as well as you have to be consistent if you need a steady growth. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to stick to a specific theme for your channel. For example, if you're running a cookery channel and all of a sudden you jump to gaming one, then it will not be a good idea. The second one is that your channel should have at least 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. The third one is your channel should have at least 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Moving ahead to the next one is the content what you put in your channel should be genuine and not copied or contain any inappropriate content. Okay, this is all about the basic criteria what one should fulfill for monetization. Now let us look at the other specifications what YouTube management can check in your channel. So the first one is the main theme, which we have already discussed earlier, that you should have a specific theme for your channel, right? Another is the most viewed videos. Yes, they can check your most viewed videos of your channel to check properly that you may have not violated their policies. Okay, the next one is the latest videos. They can check for the latest video you have uploaded, its contents and theme as well. Okay, another thing what they can check is the biggest proportion of watch time. This means you have a genuine watch time of genuine viewers of your subscribers, not the one if you have managed to get through paid and promotional techniques. Next one is the video metadata, including titles, thumbnails and descriptions. Okay, now these are just examples of what YouTube management usually checks, but they may also check other parts of your channel to see if it fully meets their policies. So as I always say, make genuine videos and share the ones what you have made, not the copied ones. Rest, you have to be consistent and stay updated and provide genuine information in your videos. So guys, this is all about this video. Hope you liked it, and for any queries and suggestions, kindly text me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Bye bye.